Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large spreadsheets and want to keep certain headers or labels visible as you scroll through your data. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Workspace, open your browser and type in workspace.google.com, then log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you have multiple Google accounts linked to your browser. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific Google Sheet you want to edit. Click on it to open the spreadsheet. This will launch the sheet in a new window where you can begin making your changes. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Look for the option labeled View and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various viewing options. From this menu, locate and click on Freeze. This is the feature that will allow you to lock specific rows or columns in place while you navigate through the rest of your data. Let's start by freezing multiple rows. From the freeze options, click on 2 rows. You'll immediately notice a subtle gray line appear below the second row of your spreadsheet. This line indicates that these 2 rows are now frozen in place. Go ahead and scroll down through your sheet. You'll see that no matter how far down you scroll, those first 2 rows remain visible at the top. This is perfect for keeping column headers in view while working with data further down. Now let's move on to freezing multiple columns. Click on View again at the top menu bar, then select Freeze once more from the drop-down menu. This time, instead of selecting rows, click on 2 columns. Just like before, you'll see a gray line appear, but this time it will be positioned to the right of the second column. Now try scrolling sideways through your spreadsheet. You'll notice that those first 2 columns stay locked in place on the left side of your screen, even as you navigate through columns further to the right. This makes it much easier to keep track of row labels or important identifiers while analyzing data across multiple columns. And there you have it. You've successfully frozen both multiple rows and columns in your Google Sheet, making it much easier to work with large data sets without losing track of your headers and labels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.